Today we will pick raw turmeric from our home garden and make a face mask with it for glowing skin. People have used this yellow spice or haldi for its medicinal purposes for centuries. Some studies shows that due to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, the long-term topical use of curcumin may help treat and prevent skin aging. Today we will make today's face pack with pure natural ingredients. Turmeric works as a skin lightening agent for your skin. The curcumin in it reduces the excess melanin production and works as a skin lightening agent for our skin. Turmeric also speeds up the skin's ability to form new healthy tissue. It boosts collagen production too. You can also make the remedy with raw turmeric paste, but today we will use raw turmeric juice here. We think for 2 spoons of juice this much roots are enough. Turmeric is considered one of the most crucial skin whitening ingredients in ancient medicines. It is known to reduce dark patches and even out the skin tone. You can also use turmeric powder from the kitchen, but raw turmeric juice works best for the skin. You can apply this raw turmeric juice directly on the skin, but it may turn your skin yellowish for 1 to 2 days. So with this we will add some more natural ingredients, so that the remedy can be more beneficial. Now we will take only 2 spoons of juice to make the face pack. You can add this wonderful face mask to your skincare regimen to get the desired radiant and blemish-free skin naturally at home. Now time to add some moisturizer to this. Firstly we will add raw milk. Raw milk nourishes the skin, deeply hydrates. Now adding 1 teaspoon to the remedy. Next we're adding 1 teaspoon of raw honey. This moisturizing ingredient helps to remove dead cells from the skin and inhibiting free radicals from causing wrinkles and fine lines. Now we're adding besan or gram flour to it. We all know besan packs cleanse pores and remove excess oil, dirt, bacteria, and other impurities. It will also make this remedy creamy in texture. Now mix all the ingredients well until you get a creamy texture. Here every ingredient is very easily available and reasonably priced. So you can easily use a wonderful natural face pack. Whatever your skin type, this can be applicable to all types of skin. You can apply whenever you get time. Just apply all over your face and keep it for 20 to 30 minutes until dry. Then wash it off cool water. This raw turmeric face pack will give you glowing beautiful skin naturally.